when as somebody who's in the profession of dealing with medical devices, we had to work on devices for early detection and all of that. I went to a conference, and the person was a female PhD professor from a very major university. And she was explaining how to solve the issue. And she said, more than anything else, we need people to wash their hands. If we can get people to wash their hands many times a day and put water in their nose. Because germs get caught in the hair of your nose before they go in. That's what you have hair in the nose. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made such a beautiful design. Germs get caught, right? They don't go in straight. So if you were to wash it out, those germs go out, they go, subhanallah, non-Muslim. When she said that, I told her, look, let me just show you how we make wudu. Washed my hands, I did madmada, istinshaq, istitha. She said, if people did this 5 times a day, COVID would stop. Non-Muslim. So you see, Islam is not just applicable, but it is the answer, the solution for the problems of our century until the Day of Judgment.